Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about one thing that explains all things. It's the reality that all things are the same thing, pretty much. Well, for example, um, matter and energy, particles and atoms. There's no difference between one proton and another proton. They're very much the same. They will probably have a different energy, or a different velocity and so forth. So to make matters simple here, and since we hear the old saying that there's nothing new under the sun, and that's in fact true, is the reality that all things are pretty much the same thing, and that history repeats itself all over again and all over again. If you want to learn about the future, you learn about the past because it's going to repeat. And everything is cyclical, and all things are pretty much the same thing in the sense that everything had a common origin. Every one of us, every planet in the solar system came from the sun, and all suns came from the gas in the universe. So, in other words, so the explanation that we can have for all things is that all things came from the same source, and that source is unity, is the what we call the oneness, which is everywhere now and have always been, and it will always be. This reality that everything is actually the same thing, everything came from the same source, and who knows, we'll be heading to the same source in the future. Thanks for watching.